With the release of Toy Story 5 coming out in June, Mattel has made a bunch of new waves of toys for the release of Toy Story 5. Got some action figures that I will definitely be talking about. We also have a new line of toys called the PlayScale toys. This comes with Woody, Jessie, and Bullseye, and today we will be talking about Woody and Jessie. Bullseye is out of stock, which is really annoying, but in the future, hopefully I'll get my hands on him, and Jessie also doesn't come until tomorrow. So tonight, me and my friend Aiden, yeah, you right there, bro? Hey man, you good? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. So today we're going to be unboxing this Woody again. We'll also be doing Jessie when I get her. We're also going to compare him to some other Woodies I have, which is going to be really cool. But yeah, guys, if you guys like movies, games, shows, collectibles, I talk about all of that here. And now let's take a look at Woody.
Do you know? 1981 was the year that...
Before we actually open him, let's just look at the box. The detail is so nice. I mean, it looks like his vest. As you can see, it's got his belt right here with the little thing. On the back, you can see the Jessie and Bullseye also come with it, and a little picture of Woody. This box is about to get absolutely destroyed. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's see, man. Oh, I'm Woody.
I see you.
Let's go over to the review station and take a look at Woody. Alright, so taking a look at the PlayScale Woody. First of all, we gotta talk about the elephant in the room. Why the fuck does he look like he's on drugs? Mattel finally decided to do the closed mouth face like it actually is when he's in toy mode in the movie. And for some reason, his eyes are just very creepy. He looks like he's just staring into your soul. Taking a look at the rest of the toy. A couple things. First of all, the what do you call it? The vest is printed on, which is kind of annoying. The arms are very flimsy, and the head is. I love them flimsy Woodies, you know? There is some, like, hard stuff, paws, in his arm right here. Not here, but right in here. There's, like, I don't know why. The belt is actually plastic, and it's actually in there. You have the holster that can spin all the way around. Taking a look at the jeans, you know, or whatever, they're the same, nothing crazy. You also have the boots. I need a light. The hands are just the normal Woody hands. It's not as accurate to the movie. A couple things. First of all, he has the stitching, so this is the Toy Story 5 Woody. Obviously, he doesn't have the poncho on. But as you can see, they actually put in the detail to give him the stitching on his back, so he doesn't have his voice box. But the little thing I'm disappointed with, his hat can come off. As you can see, his hat's just a normal hat. But if you look at Woody, where's that bald spot at? This dude got that shiny ass head. His hair on him. Ew. I don't know why they didn't do this. Now I feel like all the other Mattel Woody toys are not going to have the bald spot, which I'm kind of disappointed because that was going to be funny. Comparing him to some other Woodies. Here's another Mattel Woody. I think this is the Roundup Woody. This came out a little while ago. You'll probably still find it in stores even after Toy Story 5 comes out. As you can see, he's a lot bigger. The vest is sewed on, but this is the more the not really a ragdoll, more of a movie accurate. And I really like this one because the floppy head. This one does have a floppy head, kinda, but I do think this one is a lot better. This is probably the best Woody, in my opinion, you can get nowadays. Not as much accuracy, but like... And also taking a look at the PlayScale Woody compared to the Signature Collection Woody. This thing goes for a lot of money. And as you can see, he absolutely towers over the PlayScale Woody. And I can't get over this. The PlayScale Woody looks like he's gonna do things to me. I actually didn't even check. Let's see under his boot. Does he have Bonnie under his boot? He does not. It just has a bunch of, yeah, it just has a bunch of random
And one more thing. You just show off that.
Yeah, here's this Woody compared to him that I just got flung at me. Overall, this was 20 bucks. I honestly, in my opinion, don't think this is worth 20 bucks. Especially taking a look at how it is marketed as, and then how it actually looks. It does not look the same at all. A little disappointing. But anyways, let's cut to a bit, and we are going to see Jessie. This will probably be tomorrow. Bad aim.
The next day.
Okay guys, so it is the next day, and I have a package. This is Jessie. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna take a look at her too. Sadly, you can't get Bullseye. Bullseye is sold out, so hopefully in the future I'll get him, but this video is just gonna be Jessie and Woody. Here's the box. Again, absolutely love the boxes. They're literally making it the designs of the characters. You have her belt, you have her little design. On the back, as you can see, we have the PlayScale Jessie and the Bullseye and Woody. First, not even taking her out, just looking at her. Way better looking than whatever the hell they did with Woody. So let's open her real quick and we'll go take a look at her. Don't mind my hair, God, I just showered. Ow, I just got a cardboard cut. I didn't even know you could do that. Let's go take a look at Jessie. Alright guys, so here is Jessie. First of all, I do want to say I did cut the tag off Woody because god, these tags are huge. But already, this is way better than Woody. I mean, first of all, the detail on her eyes looks great. She looks very detailed. The only thing a little weird, the mouth, as you can see, is kind of like has weird printing on it. But when you look at it straight, it looks fine. The eyes look great. Hair's looks really good. It's very detailed. She looks great. It's definitely more ragdolly, I'd say, than Woody. She has the plastic hands. She also has the belt. You know, she's got the pants. On her boots, it's just the same thing as Woody. And again, speaking of Woody, compared to Woody, here they are together. I think they look fine together. I just think this Woody sucks. I'm really disappointed with this Woody. Of course, the main reason I bought these was because Woody, and he just, what is that? Overall, though, if I had to review them, I think I'd give the Woody like a 6 out of 10, and the Jessie I think I'd definitely give around like an 8 out of 10. These are honestly great for kids, especially for kids. Obviously my big ass shouldn't be having these, but I did want to review them. I wish I could get Bullseye, but Bullseye won't be reviewed in this video, sadly. Overall, for 20 bucks, I recommend pick up the Jessie, and the Bullseye will probably be really good. We don't get a lot of Bullseye merch like that, so I recommend getting the Bullseye while you can. But in my opinion, skip out on the Woody. Get a different Woody to go with them, because this one is just dead. But yeah, I'm just going to do the outro here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys want to see more Toy Story 5 merch videos, let me know. I'll get some more stuff. But you got to make this video do good, and I'll get more Toy Story stuff. Please like, subscribe, do all that, because I want an excuse to buy more Toy Story stuff. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah.